So good morning everybody, I am Teacher Lance and I am going to be your teacher for today and for the rest of the semester. Today we're going to study mathematics and the topic that we will discuss will be using the following signs: equals, unequal or not equal, greater than and less than to show comparison between two numbers. So now to begin this class, we're going to sing a song first. This song is called Comparing Number Song by Number Rock. Let's go!
$432 and $824. The gator eats the one that's worth more. He looks at the place values from left to right. It's the greatest hundreds place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that is greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. 355 and 332. The gator needs to eat the one with the greater value. He looks at the place values from left to right. Five's the greatest tens place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that is greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. 145 and 149. The gator needs the greater value on the number line. He looks at the place values from left to right. Nine's the greatest ones place, so he takes a big bite. The hungry alligator eats the number that is greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. Now the numbers are the same on both sides. The gator wants to eat, but he can't decide. Neither is greater or less, it's a perfect tie. So the alligator writes an equal sign. The hungry alligator eats the number that is greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. The hungry alligator eats the number that is greater. The number that is least is never part of his feast. If there's a line underneath the greater than sign, greater than or equal to us have a sign is defined. I'll write a line underneath the less than sign, and less than or equal to is the name of the design.
Hi there, I'm an alligator, so let's keep this snappy. I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you that the greater than symbol goes from big to small, and it's called the greater than symbol. The less than symbol goes from small to big, and it's called the less than symbol. The larger number always goes on the open side of the angle. For example, this reads as 50 is greater than 10. And this is read as 10 is less than 50.
Visit numberrock.com for exclusive content, lesson materials, and more. Thanks for watching.
Wow, that was such a wonderful song by Number Rock. So now we're going to our main lesson. Let's go and learn more. So here you can see an equal sign. These are two horizontal parallel lines. This is called equal. We use it when we see two values that are the same. We use it when we see two numbers that has the same value. It is equal. And this one is not equal. We use it when the two values are not the same with each other, or the two numbers doesn't have the same value. It's called not equal. The next symbol is this one. This is called less than. We use it when the number on the left part is less than the number on the right part. Okay? We call it less than. And the next one is greater than. We use it when the number in the left side is bigger than the number in the right side. We call it greater than. For example, we have here two numbers that are written as these following objects. As we can see here, we have one big square, one rectangle, and two small squares. As we can see in our previous discussion, a big square represents the place value of hundreds, a rectangle represents the place value of tens, and a small square represents the place value of ones. Therefore, as we can see here in our present example, we have a big square, one rectangle, and two small squares, which means we have 100s, 110s, and 2 ones, which makes the number 112. And since we have the same number of objects in here, from left and then right, we can say that they both have the same value, and the value is 112. So 112 is equal to 112. And we also have here one big square from the left side and two big squares on the right. And they are not the same. So therefore, we're going to write 200 is not equal to 100. 200 is not equal to 100. Or we can also say 200 is greater than 100 because 200 is bigger than 100. And also we can say 100 is less than 200 because 100 is smaller than 200. So that's how we do it. Now we're going to explore more about this topic with a game. Let's play the game Town Creator Comparing Numbers. Let's read the instructions. Choose the number range to practice, then click the start button. A math problem will appear on the top of the screen along with 4 possible answers. Click the correct answer to have a new house added to your town. Unlock new levels to add trees, cars, and more exciting objects. Try to make your town as beautiful as possible. So let's go. Let's start this game. Click the correct comparison sign. 260 blank 260. The answer is equals because 260 is equal to 260. 819 is blank 839. It's going to be less than. 634 is greater than 630. 159 is greater than 154, so we will click greater than. 515 is less than 585. 932 is greater than 912. 505 is equal to 505. 341 is greater than 252. 977 is greater than 261. 901 is less than 902. Okay, we can now put trees. 791 is less than 797. 600 is equal to 600. 689 is equal to 689. 586 is equal to 586. 551 is equal to 551. 562 is equal to 562. 712 is less than 792. And 278 is equal to 278. 125 is greater than 105. 770 is greater than 275. Great job! You unlocked cars. So we can now put cars into our sum. Let's go. Now we have here 223 is greater than 213. Wow, the car is moving. 388 is equal to 388. We have the motorcycle. 200 is less than 210. 698 is greater than 690. 165 is equal to 165. 614 is less than 654. 326 is less than 794. 729 is equal to 729. 231 is less than 239. 365 is greater than 364. Yay, we got the big building. Okay, 835 is greater than 832. 846 is greater than 816. 558 is greater than 551. 108 is less than 405. 473 is greater than 453. 975 is equal to 975. 286 is greater than 228. 762 is less than 782. 649 is less than 889. 689 is greater than 679. Okay, we unlock the leisure. 156 is equal to 156. 993 is greater than 991. 812 is less than 948. 819 is less than 879. 708 is greater than 703. 473 is equal to 473. 816 is equal to 816. 942 is less than 945. 166 is less than 196. 363 is equal to 363. Alright, that was such a wonderful game. We learned a lot about the game and about the equals, less than, greater than, equal, and not equal. So thank you for today, kids. Today we studied how to compare numbers using the signs less than, greater than, equal, and not equal. Always remember that we always look at the place value of the numbers in order to compare them with each other. We look at the leftmost corner first before going to the next number in order to compare them effectively and correctly. So that is all for today. Thank you for listening and God bless. Bye bye and happy learning.